Welcome to our explainer on non-ducted bathroom fans, also known as recirculating or ductless fans. These fans offer a simple solution for bathroom ventilation by filtering air through a charcoal filter and recirculating it back into the room. Perfect for apartments or interior bathrooms where external ductwork isn't an option. So how do these fans work? They trap odors and some contaminants with their charcoal filters, making them an excellent choice for reducing moisture and odors. However, they are less effective than ducted fans at fully eliminating humidity. Non-ducted fans are celebrated for their ease of installation. There's no need for complex ductwork, making them a practical choice for rental properties or small bathrooms. But like all good things, there are a few downsides. They require regular maintenance, such as changing filters and cleaning fan components to keep them running efficiently. For those seeking an easy-to-install, hassle-free ventilation solution, non-ducted fans are a smart choice. Just remember to maintain them well for optimal performance. Need help with your appliance? One Click Appliance Repair is here to assist. We ensure your home appliances are in top shape. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful home improvement tips.